I'm Mr. Quackily. Today we'll be discussing on floods. Let's begin. First, let's see the causes of floods. There's hurricanes, tsunamis, breaking of dams, river overflows, and heavy rains. Now let's see the types of floods. Number 1. Slow floods. Slow floods develop in 2 to 3 weeks and last for around 1 to 2 days. They are not fatal. Number 2. Rapid floods. Rapid floods develop in 3 to 7 days. It allows people to escape, so they are not fatal. Number 3. Flash floods. This is the most dangerous type of floods. It develops in 4 to 7 hours and sometimes in minutes. So that's why there's no warnings, just destruction. They are fatal. How to prevent floods? To prevent floods, plant more trees. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!